I'm quite happy to be here as a speaker. I'm grateful for the invitation. And this gives me an opportunity to look back into the future. I'm rather than trying to speculate at what might be, I'd like to find our foundation in what already has been. So when I'm talking about teams, I'm looking at teams in a historic context. This is the context of Asterix the Gaul. He is visiting in Egypt, and there they have teams working on dragging these big blocks of stone. And someone is commenting that it is really important to motivate the team. Therefore, they have a few people who are in line pulling the log, and there's one person who is cracking the whip. And he is motivating the team. And you have to realize that these are not slaves. It is explained like that in the Asterix story, that these are just laborers who are paid for their job. So what happens if a few work in overtime, they still have to divide the tasks. There will be one cracking the whip and one doing the pulling. Yeah, I noted there's more people sitting on my right side than on the left side. And when I just had a reconnaissance of the room, I noted that if you're sitting on the right of this room, then your vision to the slideshow is partly blocked by this stand. So I will give you an opportunity to move. If you care to, if you want to see the slides, you can all go to the left, because then you have unobstructed view. And basically that's why I choose this position, so I can see what is happening. These are the topics that I will try to address in this speech. Like all keynote speakers, I prepared too much. I have 4 different topics, and then I saw other speakers before me getting into trouble by the end of their speech and rushing through their slides. So I said, I better do that before I actually start with speaking. So I took out 2 of the topics. I'm not going to talk about intercultural communication, and I'm going to say much less on the online team. I will focus on the psychological theories and the team roles. When I'm talking about teams, I'm trying to get people to reflect on their own role in the team. The question is, who are you and what do you contribute to the team? Why is it important for the team to have you as a member? What are your achievements that the